This is to bring you the answers of grade 9 Science paper 4 consisting of 10 MCQ questions to be written within 15 minutes. So the question number 1, force has. There are 4 answers given. You see there, a magnitude but no definite direction. It speaks about the magnitude and direction. You can remember force is a vector quantity, so it does have both the magnitude and a definite direction. So the first answer you can take here. And the next one, a definite direction but no magnitude, also cannot be taken. Both magnitude and definite direction, that is the correct answer. And let's look at the fourth one, neither magnitude, no definite direction. No magnitude, no direction is also wrong. Accordingly, what should be the correct answer here? That is both magnitude and definite direction is the correct answer here. And question number 2, the unit used to measure force is. Force is symbolized by capital F and it is measured by Newton and the unit should be capital N. Question number 3, by applying a force. By applying a force, there will be 5 effects done. An object at rest can be moved, an object in motion can be stopped, the speed of the object can be increased or decreased, the direction of the object can be changed, the shape of the object can be changed. But all here you can see it is given as cannot be, cannot be. So by applying a force, what cannot be done is what you have to find out. You see there, the first one, an object at rest cannot be moved. It's wrong, it can be moved. Second one, an object in motion cannot be stopped. It's also wrong, it can be stopped. Third one, the shape of an object cannot be changed is also wrong, it can be changed. And the fourth one, the mass of an object cannot be changed. Yes, it's correct, it is the answer here, because mass of an object cannot be changed just because of you apply a force, unless if you are applying a high pressure as to break it down into 2 pieces, then the masses could be changed. Okay, accordingly this should be the correct answer. The mass of an object cannot be changed. And question number 4, the weight of an object with 5 kg is. 1 kilogram mass is equal to 10 Newton weight. Accordingly, 5 kilograms should be equal to 50 Newton. That is the third one answer here. Question number 5. Question number 5. When an object at rest is pushed in a certain direction, it moves to the direction of the force applied, direction opposite to the force applied, direction perpendicular to the force applied, direction angular to the force applied. What is the direction the force is applied? That is the direction the object will be moved. Accordingly, number 1, direction of the force applied is the answer. Question number 6. Point of application of force is the point where. Point of application means that is the point exactly where the force is applied on an object. Accordingly, object is contacted to the ground or the surface. Wrong here. Force is exerted on the object. That is a correct statement. We look at the next answers too. Pressure is applied on the object is also wrong. Normal reaction is applied on the object is also wrong. So the answer number 2, force is exerted on the object. Next question number 7. In graphical representation, the arrowhead is used to denote. Graphical representation we are using to denote, represent the force applied over an object. The magnitude of the force we are denoting by the length of the arrow, and the arrowhead shows you the direction of the force, and the dot kept at the point where the line segment connects with the object, that shows you the point of application. Accordingly, what is the correct answer here? Arrowhead shows you the direction of the object, number 2. Question number 8. If 1 centimeter is used to represent 2.5 Newton force, what is the length of the arrow used to represent a force of 10 Newton applied? So 1 centimeter we are using to represent 2.5 Newton means for 10 Newton, how many centimeters we have to use? You can see 2.5 into 4 times is equal to 10 Newton. That means how many centimeters you have to take? 1 centimeter into 4 times, that is 4 centimeter. Number 2 is the answer here. Question number 9. A work cannot be made easier by changing the. To make the works easier, 2 things we can change. 1 is the direction of the force applied, and then the point of application of the force. Accordingly, those 2 we can change. In fact, the first one, direction of the force applied, correct. Point of application of the force, correct. Shape of the object cannot be used as to make our works easier. So accordingly, which cannot be made easier is number 3, shape of the object. And the last one, question number 10. The instrument used to measure force is. What is the instrument we are using to measure the force, the weight? That is Newton's spring balance calibrated by Newton. Accordingly, these are the answers for the 10 questions in grade 9 science paper